GoPro record. Oh, that's the wrong command. GoPro start recording. There we go. GoPro stop recording. Oh, I didn't hear it. You're still going. GoPro stop recording. Thank you. GoPro start recording. So I'm conducting a little test here with the GoPro, trying out the voice commands, seeing how well they work. Because if they do, I think that's a really underused feature of the GoPro. Because when you're often in action type settings, which the GoPro is perfect for, your hands aren't going to be free a lot of the time to go and hit that record button. Also, when you can go from the video mode straight into the picture mode or the burst mode without having to manually switch into those modes by just using a voice command, that's super efficient. GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording. It's not hearing me. It's not hearing me. Coming to a stop. GoPro stop recording. So apparently it's got to be loud enough. Can't be too quiet. GoPro start recording. GoPro start recording. So it's quickly become obvious to me, this thing is pretty volume sensitive. It makes sense. Like right now I'm out on the road, cars passing by here and there, and it seems like I need to yell at the GoPro almost to get it to start or stop doing whatever voice command it's trying to follow. Otherwise it's not going to hear me. But in a quiet setting, you can be pretty quiet. It just depends on your environment. GoPro start recording. Now if I do it quieter. GoPro stop recording. Wow. GoPro start recording. That's pretty quiet. Still got it. GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording. GoPro start recording. GoPro stop recording. GoPro photo burst. GoPro start recording. Yeah. GoPro stop recording. GoPro photo burst. GoPro take a photo burst. GoPro start recording. Oh, taking it easy. Taking it easy. I just got my glove in that shot. Tighten that up a bit. Crank it around. It's pretty dark here. These GoPros don't do so good when it's dark. Gonna be pretty grainy, I bet. Try this again. Oh yeah. It's like this little mount's having a hard time holding it. See if I can get that any tighter. Come on, dude. Don't break on me. Just stay. Try that one more time. Maybe we'll try wide view. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. Super view. Oh, yeah. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. Okay, I'm trying this again in wide. so much fun. Alright, this light's gotta be bad by now. GoPro, stop recording. We'll try to shoot a burst. See how that does. Oh, it did it even though I just said we'll try to shoot a burst and it did it. Oh, and again, that's sensitive. Jeez. Alright. I'm going to even out the camera here now. My Karma camera. And now I'm going to point this guy forward. See if I can get a burst that way while I'm jumping. GoPro, shoot burst. GoPro, shoot burst. Try it facing me. GoPro, shoot burst. That works. GoPro, shoot burst. Nope. Okay. I think I've about maxed out the GoPro light capability. GoPro, start recording. Did it die? GoPro, start recording. Jeez. So maybe that's not the most reliable way to use this thing. GoPro, stop recording. Taking it off the wrist. Try this. GoPro, take a photo. Take a photo. GoPro, take a photo. All right.